Hi guys, welcome to StunnerShare. So today we are going to see the last topic in chapter 10, if I'm not wrong. We were discussing on higher time frame pivots or like multiple pivot zones, and that is what we were discussing on. And I've covered about double pivot zone and golden pivot zone. So please watch that video to understand double pivot zone and golden pivot zone. I think so 3 videos in each topic has been made. So kindly watch those videos for better understanding. Clear? And now the final topic and we are going to discuss is going to be multiple time frame hard zones. By this chapter 10 is completely over and there is no further chapters of 11 or 12. It is all something on basics, understandings on how he has done the trade and all those. But we are yet to complete chapter 3 and chapter 4. Most probably I'll be starting with those. And this video will be only on a theoretical point of view. Maybe I can show you the charts what he has posted in his book. That will be a screenshot only, but not on the trading view, because it's all like 2010 and 2009 charts whatever he has in his book. But what I can like till the how past I can go is like I can go till 2017 only. I'm not able to go beyond 2017. So that is why I thought, okay, let's have like this itself. Maybe I can give a try right now and show you guys as well. Give me a minute. Let me go over here. Let me go to Russell index. Okay, I'm not sure like how long they have, but let me go. I want to go till 2010. Okay, we have a bar in 2010. That is good. Let me check 1 minute. And as per the example what he has shown is that it is on a Russell 2000 index mini futures chart, but right now taken 2000 US small cap blah 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 whatever it may be, and the example falls on okay 2010. That is what I could see, but no, not exact date, like early in the February. Okay, this is the February what he is showing, but at that time, okay, it came over here. Maybe this is the point what he is highlighting in his chart. Maybe if you don't go to Russell ETF and go to any index, that will be really helpful. That's what I'm going to see. 2000 volatility index, no. Index May series index, I'm not able to choose the exact one. Can anyone help me with that, or give me some time? Let me quickly go into it and check. Okay, this is what I went but I could not see anything over there. Maybe I'll go here again. Okay, and I will go to 2010 again, and when I go to 2010 it says 2017 bar is the last bar which they have. So I'm not exactly sure which one I need to take. Let me go like this. TF Russell 2000 index. It is showing this only. Like this is volatility index. This is not going to be the same. So I'm not exactly sure which one to choose. I'm giving a last try to show you guys. Okay, 2000 and index. So there's nothing here. Okay, this is conditional buy right index, not this one. So wait, there is something over here. Index settlement value, index features. Okay, and this is what. Okay, mini. Okay, maybe this one. Let me give a try. And no, not this one also, but let me go to 2010 if it is there. 2010 not there. We have one 2021. Last try Russell 2000. Okay, I'm giving a last try. Let me see. Index value, settlement, index, everything is index only. Awesome. Okay, I tried my best, but I was not able to find anything over here. Okay, and let me just stop it here itself, and maybe I will open the ETF itself and I will show on what happened. Okay, 2010. Yes, we are here. Okay, so what is the topic which we are going to discuss? The topic which we are going to discuss is on multiple time frame hard zones. So basically, what is multiple time frame hard zones? So in this topic, like in this chapter, we were discussing more about the hard zones. What are those hard zones? Double pivot hard zone, golden pivot hard zone. Okay, so those are the zones which we were discussing, and now the last topic is going to be multiple pivot hard zone. So what is mean by multiple time frame hard zone? So multiple time frame hard zone means nothing but there are two or more time frame related pivots which are going to lie in a same place, which is going to cause the price action to be in a comfortable way. Say for example, when there is Camarilla equation and CPR both are lying in the same place, then we say it as golden pivot zone. And why do we say that CPR and Camarilla together it's called as golden pivot zone? Because when the prices or candles are reacting to CPR, there are CPR players who will be playing with the CPR and they might wait for the support or resistance activity, and Camarilla players will be waiting for the price to come over their Camarilla equation to go for a buy or sell opportunity. When both are coming at the same place, that means both the players CPR as well as Camarilla will be waiting for an opportunity over there. So that gives the powerful area for confluence. So when that confluence happens, then the probability of a high setup is always there. Okay, so the powerful band of support or resistance might form, and that will give us more opportunity to play in the market. Same way here, multiple time frame hard zone means I have told you many number of times, based on the time frame of pivots which we are using, we will be categorized as the type of trader. Say for example, if you are going to use daily time frame, then that means you are going to, sorry, if you are going to use daily pivots, that means you are going to do a intraday. You will choose 15 minutes or 5 minutes. If you are going to go for weekly pivots, you will choose 75 minutes or 60 minutes, and you will be a swing trader. You will be holding it for 1 or 2 days. And if you are going and checking on a monthly pivots, then you will be using daily time frame, and you will be a position trader. You will be holding the trade for more than a week. And if you are going for yearly pivots, then you are basically an investor. So the main ideology what he is discussing over here is, say for example, there is a point where, okay, say for example, there is a point where CPR, yearly CPR is lying, and at the same place monthly CPR is lying. Assume that this is 2024 yearly CPR, this is March monthly CPR, and in that March there is another CPR, this is weekly CPR of second week. So if all these are happening at the same place, yes, the people, those who are like playing as investors, they will be waiting for an opportunity for the price to come towards the CPR for a pullback to buy opportunity. And there will be position traders, they will be waiting for the price to come towards the monthly pivots, and they will be waiting for an opportunity to buy. And there are swing players, they will be waiting for the opportunity for the price to come towards the weekly pivots, and they will be waiting for take a trade. When all these people are ready to place their buy orders based on the price action happening over here, then that means this is a strong support zone. So that means this is called as the major area of confluence. So whenever yearly pivots, monthly pivots, weekly pivots, and or daily pivots, it's not that all the 4 time frame pivots should lie in the same place. It can be like monthly and intraday pivots, it can be like yearly and weekly pivots. So it is basically whenever any of the 2 pivots lying at the same place, which is causing the price action like wick reversal setup or extreme reversal setup to form, and that gives us an opportunity to go long. So if this happens, then that means that there is a major area of confluence. Whenever a major area of confluence happens, there is a good opportunity for buy or sell side to go for a good profit. Clear? So that is what the overall ideology of multiple time frame hard zones, and that is what we are discussing in this chapter. I hope you have to wait patiently and listen to this theoretical concept. Sometimes I'll try to show up in the chart and what's happening, but always be patient and listen to this audio. Like audio plus video as well, so that you will be able to understand what's multiple time frame zones. Okay, multiple time frame hard zones. Clear? Now let me go into the examples what has been discussed. So if you could see, there is one example. Okay, this is a visual representation. So when actually I have not seen all 4 pivots coming at the same place. There might be some situations where it is happening, but right now I have not seen. For even finding it in the chart for any 2 of the time frames pivots to be on the same place, I'm getting it difficult. but this is what is expected. So when all the four pivots are lying at the same place, then the price action will help you to understand that there is a good possible zone of support or resistance activity which can happen, and that can ideally give us a good move. So that is what I actually explained here in this pictorial representation. Now let me go to the example which has been discussed, and this is what the chart which I was checking out. So this chart is basically nothing but the Russell Index mini futures chart, and it is on a daily time frame, and they are checking it in 2010 January February month. So basically what has happened is like from the starting of 2010, if you see, after a few weeks the market has been falling drastically. 1 2 3 4 5, there are like the markets has been like completely falling in the month of February. Okay, and what has actually happened is like during the February month there is a multiple time frame hot zone which has formed, where yearly, monthly, weekly time frame pivot zones are forming over here. This is the zones. Okay, this is called as a multiple time frame zone. He has you can ask a question when you are showing it in a chart. Say for example, this is a chart. Okay, this is a chart, but when I show this, say for example, this black is the yearly pivots, this yellow is a monthly pivot, this blue is the weekly pivots. But when you see over here, it will be only one line which will show MTZ, because he has done the settings in his software that whenever there are pivots coming in the same point, monthly pivots, yearly pivots, weekly pivots coming in the same point, it will be mentioned as MTZ, multiple time frame zones, and based on that he will get alerts also, and he will be taking the trade. But doing it on a trading view or doing it on charting screener, it is going to be a big task for me. I am not that good in the coding part, but if anyone else can help me to do that, then that will be a good scenario to watch out. Clear? And one more small note. Say for example, I am not exactly sure how long this video will go, but I will try to cut the video at 10 minutes and then I will go for part 2. So if you feel the information is cut at 10 minutes, you have to assume that we are going for part 2 video, and that will be continuation which will be uploaded. So stay focused on this video and see what's happening, so that will give you some enough information.